These are dominoes. You'll notice that each domino has two sides. We have dots on the sides, and these dots are referred to as pips. One of the ways in which we can use the dominoes is to make composite numbers that we can then factor. So in this case, what I want to do is build two composite numbers, and I want to factor both of them, and then find the greatest common factor between those two. So I'm going to choose this domino, and I'm going to choose this domino. So with this domino, I want to make the number 28. And here I could make 61 or 16. I'm going to make 16 because I know that's a composite number. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to write 28 and I'm going to write 16. Now I want to factor them. Okay, I know that 4 times 7 is 28. So I'm going to write down 4 and 7 as factors. Now, because 28 is an even number, I know that 2 is a factor, and 2 sets of 14 makes 28. And I know that 1 and 28 are factors. Now, when I take a look at 16, well, I know that 4 times 4 is 16, but I don't need to write it twice. And 16 is an even number, so I know that 2 is a factor. And I know that 2 times 8 is 16. And I know that 1 and 16 are factors. Now when I take a look, I see that 2 is a common factor, and I see that 4 is a common factor. I want the greatest common factor, so I know that that will be the 4. And here's one way in which I can use the dominoes to make composite numbers that I can factor.